Let's go to Pilar Beach in Cayo Coco, Cuba.
The bus ride is $5 Canadian return, and it's best if you bring a $5 bill. I hope you can hear me. It's probably going to take around 30 to 40 minutes to get there. On Google Maps, it says that it's going to take about 22 minutes, but that's probably not true because we're going to be stopping at other resorts on the way.
Oh my word, this is the most beautiful beach I've ever seen. It's almost as if somebody edited it in Photoshop and then turned up all the colors, but it's real life. Wow. So the bus took about almost an hour actually. Maybe 50 minutes, and it stopped at all the resorts along the way to pick people up. Now it is low season though, so there aren't many people here, which is good. I don't mind it at all. This looks like a good spot to sit at. I have to take a second to appreciate how beautiful this is. And it looks like you can do excursions as well here, obviously at a charge. There are kayaks, there are paddle boats, and small catamarans as well. Now let's go check out the bar because I want to grab a drink. What do you have for a drink?
For drink, pina colada, mojito, agua libre.
How much is a pina colada?
5.
And I have to pee, obviously. You also got the toilets right by the beach. You have to climb up, back a little bit, but they are there. There is no greater sensation than having to pee for a long time and then finally being able to pee. It's wonderful. Gracias, amigo. That's refreshing. Pina colada with real pineapple bits. Yep, that's the life. It was $5 Canadian or US. I mean, there's no currency exchange here. US and Canadian are pretty much the same thing. Now, one thing I realized, hold on, one second. One thing I thought was that you had to pay to sit at the loungers, but I just sat down and nobody came up and asked me for money, so I guess it's free for now. And I've asked around and other people are saying the same thing. But usually I've heard it's around $5 Canadian or US again. Now back to my free lounger. The water is crystal clear, it's turquoise, it's shallow, as you can see. And the sand, it's very clean. They maintain it really well. Unlike the resort that I'm at, Memories Caribe, could use a little bit more cleaning up. Yeah, this is extremely clean. The sand is white. In terms of the hop-on, hop-off bus that I took, you can ask your hotel lobby, and they usually have a timetable of when the buses come and go. And when you get on the bus, they'll also tell you what the return times are as well. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy a little bit more before I have to head back out. The beach has filled up now with people because there's an excursion that came in, a boat excursion, and dropped off a lot of people. But sadly, the hop-on, hop-off bus is gonna come soon, so it's time for me to leave. Take a last look at this. Goodbye, beautiful beach. Goodbye, white sand. Goodbye, clear turquoise blue water. I'll miss you. But we'll see each other again someday.